Let me teach you how to watch Dailymotion in HD. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you're currently watching your videos in a lower quality and you want higher quality videos in Dailymotion, let me show you the quick process. Let's head over to Dailymotion and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now by default, Dailymotion selects the video quality based upon your internet speed. So if your internet connection is not very quick, by default, it's going to select a lower video quality. To check the quality of a particular video, open up the video in the player. And to be able to view the quality option, you can click on the settings tab or the settings menu on the top right. And here the first option you'll see is the option of quality. So if you click on this option, there are a few options that you can choose from. So by default, if your quality is currently playing at 480p, you can switch to 1080p. This way the video quality will improve and the video will start to play in HD quality. Now if you switch to 1080p and the video starts buffering, that means your internet connection is not fast enough to play this video in HD quality. So in that case, the only thing that you can do is watch the video in 480p or at most 720p because 1080p is not currently supported by your internet connection. But however, if your internet is fast enough, you can easily select the 1080p option and the video will switch to a HD video. So that's how you watch videos on HD in Dailymotion. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.